So hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is your girl African Lioness TV. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video. Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to life. He was sentenced to life. Now wow. The thing dey funny sha. I dey tell you. He was sentenced to life without carrying gun, without kpaing anybody because of wetin he talk for mouth. Na im dey take sentence am for life, say no go come out again. So na so Nigeria law dey, and the guy kept asking them, where is it written? Show me where it is written for him to defend himself. He has been saying it, but at the end, I don't think they showed him where it's written, So, well, I'm not a lawyer, sha. All what we saw online was that he has been sentenced to life. That's what we saw. Yeah. So, well, it is what it is now. Wetin we go do now? We are not lawyers. Yes, so now so they want am, Nabi. So okay, guys. I think we need to watch what Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, what they said out when they came out of the court. So let's watch what they said, okay? Let's go. Let's watch what they say.
Today is the only day I have witnessed a man being convicted for mere offering, for what he said from his mouth, not what he did with his own hands. The verdict is not consistent with the evidence laid before the court. The sentence is overbroad, cruel, and unusual. How can you convict a man for making mere broadcasts from a location that was never named, and he never tied that broadcast to any single incident of violence, or even someone slapping someone, not to talk of terrorism? He did all this. He didn't lay any evidence. I don't know where this whole verdict can be grounded in law, logic, or facts. We disagree with the judgment vehemently, and we are going to fight it from here onwards until justice is done. Judgment politics is based on some tribal, primordial sentiments, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is Igbo. An Igbo man has become the person in Nigeria that should be trampled upon. I'm not saying this because I'm Igbo. I'll say it for the house of Yoruba who gets trampled upon. But today we saw an Igbo man being trampled upon, and by God Almighty, we are not going to allow it. Nobody is going to trample on me. Nobody is going to trample on Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. He's a man that was pursuing change. To pursue a separate nation of yours is not a crime. So in Nigeria today, if somebody says don't be saving, you get convicted. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu may broadcast, and so what? And you convict him for terrorism, for mere words. In the Federal Republic of Nigeria, what kind of precedent is being laid? So from here, we are heading to the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal is the only court in this country, or the next court in this country, that sits as a jury. We are going to approach justices there to check out what happened in court today. And we are pretty sure the justices will agree with us that today was the symbol of the travesty of justice that everybody has been suspecting all along. If the Court of Appeal disagrees with us, we head to the Supreme Court. But by God Almighty, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to stand convicted. He's going to get overturned. Thank you.
First of all, I want to talk to the Igbos that nobody should take us into your hand. I'm assuring you, this judgment is predicated on anger. Thank God that the judgment was extremely live and everybody watched it. You will see the anger in delivering the judgment, and it's not predicated on law. Now, I also want to let you know that this charge, that the investigation that gave rise to this charge was not investigated, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's statement, purported statement, was rejected by this court, and they did not tender any document as investigation report. That is to say, the investigation was not, the offense was not investigated. Having said that, also something that happened in court today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu filed a matter in Court of Appeal, and he's asking my lord, that particular matter I filed in Court of Appeal anchored on this particular issue. Please, can you just suspend this judgment? Let Court of Appeal direct what to do. My lord refused. Now, on the issue of
so guys, but there's something like looks so funny, because we are not lawyers, so we don't know the criteria that they use to do this their judgment, so we don't really know. Yeah, because we know that there is one guy that even by the major general, in fact have pied many people, okay, have unalived many people. So but they gave him 20 years. There is a guy too, I'm going to show this thing. There is a guy too that defended himself, from these people. The guy, the person he pied wanted to pie him, so he was able to overpower him, collect his GUN, and unalive him. So that man was now sentenced to pie. Okay. Then the one that they caught, that that was confirmed that pie person, really he pied somebody, that one was given 20 years imprisonment. Hey, which mouth Nigeria wan take talk this one? How are we going to even explain this to a little child, when they grow up and start reading history or browsing on internet? How are we going to explain that this thing happened in Nigerian court? That, and again, this man is also there defending the terrorists, saying that they should grant them this, grant them that, spend money on them so that they will protect our forest. Hey, wait. Which ear anybody want to take hear that one? Which ear they want take hear that one? That you are saying that they should, they should invest on a terrorist. They should invest, confirmed one, so they should invest on them. All these ones they call bandits, Fulani militia, ISWAP, all of them. They should invest on them so that they should be guiding our forest. Who they our forest? Because we don't know who they are. Say some people they our forest. The people we thought that were they that forest is these same people. Now then we know say na dem dey forest. So if there are other people in the forest, they should let us know, because we don't know if there are other people in the bush. Some of the charges where they even give this Nnamdi Kanu, they say, oh, he formed ESN, he formed this, he formed this. And that one was because they were buying people in mass in the east. He now said, oh, they cannot be buying my people like this. They cannot be unaliving my people. They have to form something that will go and guide the bush. If you go to the Benue, you will see that when the police is not there, it is their local vigilante that is in the bush that is, repelling the attacks. Because of their presence, they will not even come to do what they want to do the way they should have done it. Which community, which village that doesn't have vigilantes or doesn't have local security people? He formed that local security people so that these people that are, or they are already killing, they're already unaliving people in mass in the east. Anyways, we are not lawyers, we said, though. Now then, no. So guys, the masses, the public, is left for you people to see how they judge it. We are not lawyers, our own, we are novice. So maybe what they did was right, or maybe what they did was not right. We are not lawyers, we cannot say. So they know why they did it that way. A God of mercy, really? Something. And all the things he said, he didn't say it in Nigeria. He was in abroad. He was in UK, United Kingdom. So I thought that when somebody commits something in any country that you committed that thing, that is where you will be tried. But I don't know that you commit something in UK, you will be tried in Nigeria. So we don't know law. We don't know law. According to Nnamdi Kanu, he said we don't know law. Me, I don't know law. I agree. Me, don't know law because I'm not a lawyer. So them that knows law, maybe they know, but they just wanted to do it like that, or they don't really know. So we don't know. So it's only God is the supreme lawyer. So it's only him that knows, right? We cannot say what we don't know. You understand? So But if they have repealed law according to what they are saying in that our constitution, if they have repealed a law, that law has, been waived out. You should not try anybody with a repealed law. That one is certain. But they knows why, sha. They know why they did it the way they did it. We don't know. Okay? Yes. So, but another thing is that they should try to treat everybody equally. This thing that they said Nnamdi Kanu said, people that have said more than that, they are existing in Nigeria. People that have said more than what he said, that have done more than what he did. Even the other guy there, his own, he even carried GUN. They know that did exactly the same thing that Nnamdi Kanu did. That one carried GUN. They didn't nothing. That one dey free, they waka now. So my own suggestion is, let the law be equal to everybody. Like this guy now that unalive a whole major, and unalive people, plenty people, finally they gave him 20 years. Then the other guy that was defending himself, they defended himself from being kpai by the Fulani militia. That one wanted to kpai the guy. The guy overpowered him, now kpied him. Now they are charging him. They charged him by kpai. Sentenced by, is it by kpai or by life? I don't really know. But they change it, sentenced by kpai. So see, una wey no law, because we know, me, I don't know law. I'm one of those people wey no know the law. I no go lie. You see, so make we trade this thing with caution. Make we trade this thing with caution and make the law go equally to everyone. Okay, the law should go equally to everyone. Let it not be for only one particular, because people, you can see that Nnamdi Kanu's people, they are feeling like, oh, this is like tribal thing, because it looks like a tribal thing, and if it's like that, it's not supposed to be like that. So you that is watching, I hope everybody have watched the court session. So share your own thoughts on the comment section. If the way they judge it is the right way, abeg put it down, because our own voice matters. We have to talk, we have to put our own voice, because we are the masses, we are the people, you see. So we supposed to also put our own, because we watch everything, they televise it, at least they allow journalists to televise it, so that everybody is being carried along. So share your own thoughts on the comment section, whatever you have seen, if the judgment is right or if the judgment is not right, if it is justice or if it is injustice. Abeg put the comment down on the comment section. Now those, we too, we public too, we know say we get power, but some people no know. So that is why when you watch all these videos finish, you drop your comment. Try to drop your comment. Some people are also even stingy by dropping comment. They may think that, oh, you are doing that person favor, you are doing that person. No, not really. You're also doing yourself favor, because you want your voice to be heard. All of us will not be in that courtroom. My own way of lending my voice now is what I'm doing, and your own way of lending your voice is by putting your own comments down. Nobody go pay you because of your comments. Okay, but you have to be respectful by dropping your comments. Okay, you have to be respectful by dropping your comments. No comments. All right, yes, it's your right. You have that right to do that, but do it respectfully. Just drop your own opinion, because we are not in the court. Our own is to also now make our comment known, because when you drop your thoughts, the whole world is seeing it. It's not only Nigerian that is reading it this time. The whole world. I listened to US congress people, when they mentioned the Nnamdi Kanu's case, that despite people, the masses, Nigerians were like crying, shouting, no, release this man. Yet they still insisted and also sentence him. So share your thought on the comment section. Whatever you think that is the right thing to do, maybe our own thoughts can still change things. So you never can tell. So that is why you should drop your comment on the comment section below, guys. But I will also play you guys the after the court session. Nnamdi Kanu's legal is it legal thing? No, his consultants. Okay, they call them consultants. Nnamdi Kanu's consultants, what they said after the session. Okay, sit back and watch the end and put your comment down on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. I remain your one and only African Lioness TV. They say in every condition, you still have to thank God. Okay? Yes, we still have to thank God. Ndị Igbo say, ọ bụ na nke emero, ịmara nke ọzọ kara eme. So all hope anyị ka dị na Chukwu. Ka anyị na-ekpekwa n'ekpere na-etinye nwa ahụ anyị na-etinyekwa ya na ekpere anyị. Ịghọtago? Enweghị ihe Chukwu na-apụghị ime. O nwere ihe ọbụla Chineke na-apụghị ime. It can change any situation at any time. All right? So thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next one. I have a lot of videos, so stay glued, stay tuned on this channel. A lot of information is on the way. Okay? Yeah, bye for now.